Hello guys, what's up? Hope so you all are fine. So without wasting your and mine precious time, let's get started.
Hello guys, in today's video I am gonna tell you about the best animation apps for iPads, so let's begin. Hey there, creative minds! We're diving into the amazing world of Flip-a-Clip, the app that makes animation super fun and accessible for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Flip-a-Clip lets you bring your ideas to life with simple tools that spark your imagination. You can sketch, animate, and even add sound to your creations, all right from your device. With its intuitive interface, you'll find it easy to create frame-by-frame animations. Plus, there are tons of features like layers, onion skinning, and customizable brushes to help you refine your artwork. So, whether you want to tell a story, create a short clip, or just doodle for fun, Flip-a-Clip has got you covered. And the best part? You can share your animations with friends or on social media in just a few taps. So grab your stylus, open Flip-a-Clip, and let your creativity flow. Now we are heading towards the second app of the list. Now, we're exploring Calipeg, the fantastic app that's perfect for animators of all levels. If you've ever dreamed of bringing your drawings to life, this is the app for you. Calipeg offers a user-friendly interface that makes frame-by-frame animation a breeze. You can sketch directly on the screen, use layers for depth, and even take advantage of onion skinning to see your previous frames. Super handy, right? One of the coolest features is the ability to create both traditional 2D animations and more complex scenes with ease. Plus, you can import your artwork from other apps, making it even easier to get started. And let's not forget about the sound options. You can add audio to your animations, giving them that extra pop and making your stories come alive. Whether you're creating a short clip, a fun character, or a full-blown animated story, Calipeg is your go-to tool. So grab your stylus, unleash your creativity, and let's animate. App download link is given in the description. Now we are heading towards the third app of the list. Now, we're diving into Procreate, the ultimate app for digital artists and illustrators. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Procreate has everything you need to unleash your creativity. With its intuitive interface, you can start sketching right away. The app offers a wide range of brushes, everything from pencils to watercolor, that mimic real-life textures perfectly. Plus, you can customize your brushes to suit your unique style. One of the standout features is the layer system, allowing you to work on different elements of your artwork without any hassle. And don't forget about the animation tools. You can create stunning animations in just a few taps, bringing your illustrations to life. Procreate also supports high-resolution canvases, so your artwork can look amazing even when printed. And with options to export in various formats, sharing your creations on social media is super easy. So, if you're looking to elevate your art game, Procreate is definitely worth checking out. Grab your iPad, start exploring, and let your imagination run wild. App download link is provided in the description. Now we are heading towards the fourth app of the list. Now, we're diving into ToonSquid, the awesome app that makes animating a breeze. If you've ever wanted to create your own cartoons or animations, this is the perfect tool for you. ToonSquid offers a simple, user-friendly interface that's perfect for beginners and experienced animators alike. With its drag-and-drop features, you can easily create characters and scenes without any fuss. Plus, the app has a fantastic library of pre-made assets to help you get started. One of the coolest things about ToonSquid is its frame-by-frame animation capability. You can see your animations come to life in real time, making it easy to refine your work as you go. And with layers and onion skinning, you can manage complex scenes effortlessly. Want to add some flair? You can incorporate sound effects and music to make your animations pop even more. And when you're ready to share your masterpiece, exporting is a breeze, perfect for social media or just showing off to friends. App download link is provided in the description. Now we are heading towards the lap of the list. Now, we're diving into the world of stop-motion animation with the Stop Motion Studio app. If you've ever wanted to bring your toys, drawings, or everyday objects to life, this is the perfect app for you. Stop Motion Studio is super user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to start animating right away. With its intuitive interface, you can set up your scenes, capture frames, and see your animation come together in real time. It's like having a mini studio right in your
क्यों नहीं रे
pocket.
भाई
One of
पापा
the
मुझे कुछ
coolest
नहीं
features is the onion skinning tool, which lets you see the previous frame while you're shooting.
ऐसे ही जा
This makes it easier to
कल ही
get
बोल
those
रहा था
smooth
मेरे से नहीं
movements
मांगना
just
दोनों लोगों
right.
को
Plus, you can add sound effects, music, and voiceovers to really enhance your stories. The app also allows you to edit your
एक ही दिन में वो
footage,
साफ कर
adjust
लेगी दूसरे
playback
दिन से
speed,
भिगो के छुट्टा
and add
खाएगा
filters to give your animations that professional touch.
एक ही दिन में वो निपटा
And
दे
when
फिर
you're
अगले
ready
दिन
to
से
share
फिर
your
से लिस्ट में आ
masterpiece,
जाए
exporting is super simple, perfect for showing off to friends or
पॉसिबिलिटी
posting
कौन
online.
सा पेटीएम चलेगा
App
वो भी
download
क्या
link is provided in the description.
Hope
Now
you
we are
find-
heading towards the next app of the list. Welcome to our quick tour of Adobe Express, your all-in-one design tool that makes creativity accessible for everyone, no design experience required. Imagine needing to create a stunning social media post, a professional-looking flyer, or even a quick video. With Adobe Express, it's as easy as a few clicks. Let's dive in. First up, the interface is super user-friendly. Whether you're on your phone or desktop, you'll find intuitive tools that help you get started right away. Just pick a template, there are thousands to choose from, then customize it to fit your style. Change colors, fonts, and images with ease. Speaking of images, Adobe Express has a vast library of free stock photos, icons, and design assets. Need a specific image? Just search, drag, and drop. You can even upload your own photos to make your designs truly unique. And if you're looking to add a little flair, Adobe Express offers an array of design filters and effects. Want to animate your text or add some motion to your graphics? It's all just a few taps away. Now, let's talk sharing. Once your masterpiece is complete, you can easily download it or share it directly to your social media channels. No more complicated processes, just straightforward sharing that saves you time. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or just someone who loves to create, Adobe Express empowers you to bring your ideas to life in a fun, stress-free way. So, are you ready to unleash your creativity? Download Adobe Express today and start designing like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.